Greetings to the people of South Africa and greetings to our brothers and sisters in the African continent and in the African diaspora. Greetings in particular to the members and volunteers, the ground forces of MyBuye consultation process. My name is Floyd. I'm the national convener of MyBuye consultation process, a process that we're engaged in to listen to the people of South Africa as to whether we should form a political movement and what should be the values and principles that guide such a political movement. And if it is founded, how that movement should be funded by the people of South Africa. We, of course, have gone to different parts of South Africa to listen to different perspectives and views on MyBuye process, which the direction now is clear, is towards the formation of a revolutionary movement, the Africa MyBuye movement. We're here today to gladly and with profound humility take an opportunity to welcome to MyBuye consultation process Comrade Nombuso Mkhize, Mkhize. Comrade Nombuso Mkhize was until a week ago the Deputy Secretary General of MK Party. When I was in the leadership of MK as national organizer and as Secretary General, I worked with her. She was a Deputy Secretary General, and she's now have to come to join MyBuye as part of the consultation process. The immediate role that she will play in MyBuye process is to be the head of presidency or the head of the National Convener's Office, which will be responsible for coordination at the political oversight level of the work that is done by the National Convener, the Deputy Conveners, the National Chair, the Deputy Chair, but also become a seamless integration between the National Convener's Office and that of the Secretary General's Office. She brings about profound and solid experience and knowledge and capacity that will add a lot of value to the smooth functioning of MyBuye, because the kind of movement that we're building is not just a Mickey Mouse or an organization that doesn't know what it's doing. It's an organization that is founded on professionalism, on clear values and principles that are going to be guided clearly by a collective leadership. So we welcome Comrade Nombuso Mkhize to MyBuye, and we are having a great journey ahead of us. Welcome, Comrade Nombuso Mkhize, to the leadership of MyBuye consultation process.
Thank you very much. Greetings to the people of South Africa, the volunteers of MyBuye. My name is Nombuso Mkhize. I have been the Secretary General, Deputy Secretary General of MK until last week, when I submitted the letter of resignation, which was not influenced by anything or by anyone. I took a sober decision, and that decision is that I am now joining MyBuye consultation process. I am going to play the roles that the convener has clearly outlined, and I am going to serve this organization with determination and diligence. Since they have started the consultations, I've been following them, and I have learned precisely what is it that this organization stands for and what is it that we seek to achieve as MyBuye. The consultation processes that has taken place in a number of provinces has actually guided the leadership, the national leadership, on what is it that the values, the norms that should underpin the formation of the movement. I am humbled that today I am announced and I am welcomed in this fashion. Would like to sincerely extend my appreciation and my sincere gratitude to the leadership collective of this process, the process of consultation. They have done a sterling work which has made it clear to the people out there what is it that Maibuye Africa as a movement and an organization stands for. Thank you very much for the opportunity. I commit to serve with diligence. Thank you.